Hey guys, welcome back to Unknown. So this video is gonna talk about the release of the pentagonal prisms. This is the unseamless one and the seamless one. So they will be coming soon on channel tutorials. But the thing I like to mention, the seamless pentagonal prism is not worth making. I will not leave a tutorial for this. Tutorial will be for the unseamless one. This is much better than this model. This model just avoids three seams, you can say. I don't really like this model much. It's pretty hard. I would rate it 9 out of 10, but this is basically a 7. There is a very special thing which happens here. I found out by accident. If you divide 1 by 4, if you take 1 by 4 horizontally and 1 by 6 vertically, you can make a pentagon, a perfect pentagon, which is here. You can take it this side, they're all the same, and the paper also fits in properly. That shows that this is a perfect pentagon prism. I don't know how it happened. This model was not made by accident. Then the seamless one, it took so much time because this line here is actually a grid line, and I had to stop and not make the grid line any further, which led to many things. You can see it's still not seamless because I had to make this tiny mark here, and you can see it's not even perfect. The thing is changed and everything. But the tutorial for this, and this is very good model, pretty strong. I like it a lot. Okay, I'm not gonna do too much, but yeah. Can they be stacked? No, because this is supposed to be more. It's like a balloon, but this one got pushed inside, so it's like an opposite of a balloon. That's why these can stack, but normal ones you can't stack. Maybe you can have a stacking competition. See how many you can stack. I'll be probably able to be stacking 3 at maximum. Yeah, that's the release video. Diagonal prisms made by me.